Cooking with Harry Potter. Woohoo! Ah! He was in my spot again. Oh, hi, I'm a Harry Potter. Hey, I'm Kai the Ninja. I'm your guest star for today. And this is our recipe, log cake. Now, the first ingredient is, I think, some sort of dangerous explosion, weird potion thingy-majiggy. Oh yeah, here it goes. Hope it doesn't blow up. Ah, chicken. We need that. Chicken legs. I'd rather have chicken wings though. And thanks for cutting me off. Here you go. Too late. Run party, baby. Woo woo. Have you seen my chicken? No. Ah! That was close. Yes, it was. Ah, thanks for the fish, Kai. You're welcome. Now we need that diamond. I've got the diamond it's a cat in a tree. Ah, rat. Was that in the recipe? Ah! Why did you do that? Thanks, Kai. Woohoo! You cut off my head. Ah, block cake. Ah, yummy. Let's eat. Come on. I'm alive. Thank you for watching.